Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a Fulani wig. I'm going to be using this wig making cap that I got from my local beauty supply store. It was about $3.99, $4. So it has a lace mesh at the front, so I'm just going to start doing my wig. Okay, this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to cornrow 2 braids at the front, and then I'm going to start cornrolling the braid like this. I'm just going to show you how. So I'm using this braiding here. It's expression braiding here, and if you know me, this is my favorite braiding extension. So let's get right into this video. So now that I'm done cutting my hair extension, I cut my extension into 3 parts and I faded it out at the end. I'm going to start to do the wig. So I sectioned the hair tiny bit in front of me. If you can see here, I sectioned the hair a little tiny bit into 5 sections here, and I'm just going to go and crochet that on the lace cap. So I'm going to do 2 straight here, and I'm going to just go ahead like this. And if you can see, I'm going to go ahead. You can secure this thing down with a pin. So let me look for my pin right here so that it doesn't move when you're doing it. So I'm just going to secure this down with a pin, both sides. So let's get started. So this is what I did. I crocheted little pieces of hair on the line that I wanted to do my fitted braid on. And what you can do is you can take a sewing chalk and make the lines that where you want your braids to go, and you want to just start crocheting on the line. Then when you're done with the crocheting, you're just going to start and do like a regular fitting braid on the crocheted hair. This is a very simple way of creating a Fulani wig by yourself. They can be very pricey. When I go to the store, I see them for like 3 something, 2 something, and they're just too expensive. So I rather create my own than spend so much money on a wig, you know. So that is what I did. As you see here, I finished the first one, and I'm just going to go ahead and show you guys the next one. So as I mentioned before, I'm doing 2 forward, 2 braids forward, then I'm going to start doing the other ones towards the back. So as you see, I took tiny pieces of hair, just like tiny pieces of hair, and I crocheted that into my lace closure, and I just start when I was done, I just start doing the fitting braid. As you can see, it is a very simple way of creating a wig with this lace closure. It was because it's lace at the front and mesh at the back, it's really nice one to use for this type of hair, like wig style. So that's what I just did. I just go ahead and did my fitting braid on it, and yeah, and I completed the wig, and it was really nice. Please watch this video to an end and see how I was able to achieve this gorgeous wig. And within, like, if I really put my feet down, I could have finished this in a day. But you know what, I had kids and I have to attend to my kids, so I had to leave it over and over again and come back to it. So please watch this video to an end. Like this video if you like if you like this wig tutorial. Share with your friends and family. Leave a comment down below. Did you like videos like this? Did you learn anything from it, or is there anything that I could have done better? So just leave your comment down below, and I will be really happy to respond and read them. So I'm going to let you guys finish watching this video, and I will see you guys at the end.
Giving up, letting go, times we might feel compelled, looking down from the heights that we have built all by ourselves. And there is fear of the unknown, but we cannot lose control when we feel like the world is against us. We have built choices that it's hard not to look past. What is real and what is fake, and the risk we have to take. Will we know what is throwing off our balance? We cannot sink into the dark. The vertigo is getting sharp. There's something bigger than ourselves. That we need. We have built all by that we need. We have the heights that we need. We need. We have built all by that we need. We have the heights that we need. I feel, we all by giving up, letting go, times we might feel compelled, looking down from the heights that we have built all by ourselves. And there is fear of the unknown, but we cannot lose control when we feel like the world is against us. We have built we have built take.